My sweet doggy. Puppy's fighting here. Fighting. Hello. Hiccup, Hiccup. So hot. Okay. Okay, but so anyway, who unsubbed me? I don't know. That's weird. I don't know who unsubbed me for a while ago, so I'll be back soon. I'll be back. Back today, huh? I can't analyze. My subs are going down now. That's not good. That's not good. Contents are always good. But the puppy is a dog. Do not go outside. Do not go outside, okay? Rabbits are okay. Okay. This is so weird. There are other dogs here. There's just my other dog. Where's my other one? I hope Hiccup is here. Hiccup. Hiccup. Wait. Oh, Hiccup is gone. My goodness. Hiccup is gone. That's weird. Hiccup is gone. Wait. I will be back. This is not good. These dogs are still okay. Best friend? Best friend? There's best friend. Look at this, there's best friend here. Can you see this? Can you see the puppy guy? That's big. That's just my best friend. Is it? That's just best friend. That's in the car. No. So see you later at the 12 p.m. because it was bad and Hiccup's not here.